A prayer for the month of April, 2025. Heavenly Father, as we step into the month of April, I lift my heart to you in gratitude. Thank you for carrying me through the past months, for every blessing, every lesson, and every moment that has shaped me. I trust that you who have been faithful in the past will continue to be faithful in the days ahead. Lord, I dedicate this new month to you. May April be a time of renewal, of growth, and of deepening faith. Let this be a month where I draw closer to you, where my heart aligns more with your will, and where I see your hand moving in every area of my life. Father, I surrender my plans, my dreams, and my worries to you. Lead me in the path you have set before me. Give me wisdom for every decision, strength for every challenge, and peace for every uncertainty. Help me to